Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 Warp on your Windows PC. We'll go through the installation process, connect to Warp, check the connection settings, and show you how to disconnect when you're finished. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser. In the address bar, search for Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 Warp and open the official Cloudflare website. Once you're on the website, look for the download option for your device. Since we're using a Windows PC, select Windows to download the Warp application. Once the installer has finished downloading, open the downloaded file. Windows may ask you for permission to run the installer. If so, select Yes and continue with the installation. Follow the instructions shown on the screen and wait while Cloudflare Warp is installed on your computer. Once the installation is complete, open the Cloudflare Warp application. The first time you launch it, you may be asked to agree to the terms of service, review the information, accept the terms, and continue. You should now see the main Warp application. Here, you'll find the main connection switch that allows you to turn Warp on or off. To connect, simply click the Connect button or switch. Wait a few seconds while Warp establishes the connection. Once it connects successfully, the application should indicate that Warp is active. You can also open the application settings to view additional options and connection information. Depending on your setup, you may be able to choose between Warp mode and DNS-only mode. Warp routes your device's traffic through Cloudflare's Warp service, while DNS-only mode focuses on DNS resolution. If you simply want to turn Warp off, open the application again and click the connection switch. Wait a moment and the connection should be disconnected. You can quickly find the application again by opening Windows Search and typing Cloudflare Warp. And that's it. You've successfully installed and learned how to use Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 Warp on your Windows PC. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple technology tutorials and internet tips. See you in the next video.